Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Heaven Panty. So Heaven Panty is a monthly or bi-monthly panty subscription. I love that you have the choice of how frequently you receive this, and you also get the choice on how many panties you want per month or every other month. So you can get one panty or two panties. For one panty it is $9.99. For two, it is $16.99, and they base the panties they send to you off of a profile. So you let them know what style, what colors, what patterns, or no patterns. Like, you let them know all your preferences, and they're really good at finding the perfect size for you. Part of the really quick quiz you fill out when you first subscribe, letting them know your preferences. You also let them know what your sizing is at other brands. And the first month you get your subscription, get Heaven Panty, they'll give you like measuring tape. So they definitely are great with that. And they have a great loyalty program too. Like if you review them or post a photo, you get some points to spend in their shop. Or if you refer friends, you give them $20, you get $20 back. So pretty awesome. And you get to try your first month free. I don't think there's any codes or anything like that. It says it on their website. So I'm going to link their website down below. I do get this sent to me free for review, but it's not sponsored and I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. So yeah, let's check it out. Oh, my cat's waking up. Hi, Annie. Were you napping? It's about lunchtime for her. She like knows her schedule pretty well. Are your cats like that or animals? Okay, so ooh, it's red. So I love that they send it in this little bag. You can get a peek each month right here what your panty looks like. I think that's so fun and just so cute. Isn't this packaging just adorable? So are you, baby, you sleepyhead? So we got a hipster / bikini pair, and it says, I get a size large for reference, like usually like a size up. I guess some large kind of bottom half. But anyways, red, and then it's in their comfy and lacy section, which I love that. I like the comfy and sexy look. Like I'm all about comfort, but I like to, you know, feel good and confident and stuff like that. So here is what it looks like in the front. Ooh, there's like a party in the back. Look at this. Here, I'll take it out. And in the front. So this has a retail value of $15, so you save like $5 by subscribing compared to buying it in their shop. This is super cute. So there's like a little rhinestone and bow in the front, and then there's lace on the sides. And then the back is all lace. But then look at this, isn't that cute? Little cutout there, like a heart cutout. And this is like perfect for Valentine's Day, which is approaching, you know. Super cute. I love red. I should get more red clothes. I feel like I'm in that stage where I just need like new clothes, you know. I haven't really shopped for clothes in a while. And this is just reminding me that I want to try out something red. Red is like, you know, power colors. Like, you know, if you're into like color magic or like, you know, just color therapy or colors in general, like red like makes you feel confident, makes you feel brave, like spicy, like passionate. And it's just cute. I love this. Let me know your thoughts down below, you guys. So yeah, this is my panty for January from Heaven Panty. I can't get over how cute that little heart in the back is. I love it. Let me know your thoughts, and I will link them down below like I said. And yeah, that's it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really happy with the panty. I would love to know your thoughts and yeah, just how you're doing. And I think this video is going up on Friday, so if you're watching this in real time, happy Friday, but happy whatever day time, you know, it is for you. I hope you're enjoying this present moment. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye, love you.